Test if lists share any items in Python. I want to check if any of the items in one list are present in another list. I can do it simply with the code below, but I suspect there might be a library function to do this. If not, is there a more Pythonic method of achieving the same result?
Note, the above assumes that you want a Boolean as the answer. If all you need is an expression to use in an if statement, just use if set A and set B column.
You could also use any with list comprehension.
This is asymptotically optimal, worst case O, n plus m, and might be better than the intersection approach due to any short-circuiting. E.g. will return true as soon as it gets to 3 in SB. Edit, another variation, with thanks to Dave Kirby. This relies on IMAPS iterator, which is implemented in C, rather than a generator comprehension. It also uses SB. Contains as the mapping function. I don't know how much performance difference this makes. It will still short-circuit.
In Python 2.6 or later you can do.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.